Welcome to Tech Solutions Hub, your trusted source for assistive technology. Empowering accessibility, innovating for a better tomorrow. Explore our tutorials, product reviews, and expert insights. Learn how to harness assistive tech for independence. Connect with us. Subscribe for latest updates. Hit the notification bell. And join our community on social media. Breaking barriers, one solution at a time.
The instrumental for this video is provided by InnerSanctum Entertainment Ltd.
Hello exceptional people, welcome to Tech Solutions YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about a blind video game that is called the Blind Temple Run. Yes, you heard that right, the Blind Temple Run. It's an SPK file and it's only currently available to those of us using CSR, also known as G-Show. Well, to those of us using multiple screen readers, we can also access the game, but you would have to launch the game through your G-Show, so you must have G-Show on your phone. The link to download this SPK file will be available in the video description. Currently, the developer is working towards making it an APK file, but currently it's an SPK file. So when you download it, you click on it again to import it, and after that it goes straight to your tools. To those of us using CSR, also known as G-Show, we know where the tools is located in our G-Show settings. So I'm just going to launch my main menu instead of me going to my G-Show looking for tools. I'm in my G-Show settings looking for tools.
Main menu. Granular browsing mode. List browsing.
So I'm looking for tools.
Read the host. Voice assistant. Extension. Screen reader settings. Suspend speech. Edit the pronunciation. Cancel button. More button. Main menu. Functions menu. Recognition menu. Automatic. Reading mode. List browsing. Note browsing mode. Granular browsing mode. Spell current focus. Read the host. Full text. Full text select. Voice assistant. Recognize text. G-Show camera. Extension. Tools. ASR. Tools.
So I'm going to swap forward
Galaxy.
now.
Tools. Enter keyword text. New button. More options button. Blind Temple Run.
Blind Temple Run. Okay.
Blind Temple Run.
Reminder, your active quest is dodge 30 obstacles. Progress 14 out of 30.
Did you hear that? So there is the sound of you launching the game, or of me launching the game.
Close button. Blind Temple Run. Player alert.
So when you launch the game for the first time, it's going to ask you for a player name, which my own is alert. And it's also going to ask you to choose the language you want to use to play the game.
Bang. 4,605 golds, 287 diamonds.
So this is the information of the previous game that I played.
Location. Sky Summit.
Location.
Start game button.
Start
Profile
game,
button.
Profile.
Daily quest button.
Daily quest.
Inventory button.
Inventory.
Change map button.
Change map.
Shop button. Daily gift button. Settings button.
So I just want to explore something here.
Settings. Change player name. Alert text box.
So you can change player name here.
Enable game music check box.
Enable game music.
Enable UI sounds check box.
UI sound checked.
Enable action sounds check box.
Action sound checked.
Enable voices check box.
Enable voices checked.
Use screen reader for instructions on check box.
Use screen reader for instructions. Now you're gonna leave this unchecked. By default it is unchecked, because when you check it, the narrator that's gonna guide you in the game is gonna go mute. Yep. So, and you will have to use your screen reader for navigation of the game. So it's better you leave it like this, unchecked.
Enable vibration check box.
Vibration.
Music volume 50%.
Music volume
50% slider.
So when you increase or decrease this sound you hearing will go down or go up.
45,
40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 50, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
50.
SFX volume 80% slider.
80%. I also
Vibration intensity 50%.
I also increased and decreased that.
50% slider.
So I used my volume up and down to increase and decrease it.
Change language button.
Change language.
Backup and restore data button.
Backup and restore.
About game button.
About game.
Save button.
Save.
Settings saved.
So now let's start the
Reminder,
game.
your active quest is dodge 30 obstacles.
Yeah, I know
Progress
that.
14 out of 30.
Yeah, I know.
Close button.
So let's start the game now.
Blind Temple. Player alert. Bang. 4,000 location. Start game button. Close button. Blind Temple Run. Select difficulty.
So select difficulty.
Easy, 1 kilometer, button.
Easy.
Normal, 20 kilometers, button.
Normal.
Hard, 100 kilometers.
Hard.
Extreme hard, 100,000 kilometers,
Extreme hard.
button. The blind endless runner button.
And the blind endless runner. So I'm just gonna go for easy.
Back button, close button. Blind tip, select difficult, easy, 1. Select gender. Male.
So select gender.
Female.
Male, female. Go for
Select
female.
character.
And select character.
Jasmine, the default heroine.
Jasmine, the default heroine. Now, when I click on this, the game will probably start. To play the game is quite easy. You have to use your 2 fingers. The way you scroll up when when you want to have access to your app list, or you want to scroll through something on your phone using your 2 fingers, your index and your middle finger. Yes, so that's how you do it. You use your 2 fingers at the same time on the screen. So when you start the game, there will be a narrator that's gonna guide you through the game. When you hear turn right, you swipe your 2 fingers to the right. When you hear turn left, you go to the left, or you turn to the left. When you hear jump, you swipe up, like jump, yes. When you hear slide down, you go down. But as for me, I'm gonna use my thumb and my index finger to have access to the screen properly, so my actions can be effective, yes. So I'm gonna use my thumb and my index. I'm gonna put it straight on the screen, like you're just putting your phone straight, yes. So that's how I'm gonna put it. So when I hear jump up, I swipe up with my 2 fingers, my index and my thumb. And when I hear slide down, I slide down. When I hear turn right, turn left, I turn as it told me. And when you hear tilt your phone to the right or tilt your phone to the left, you tilt your phone to the right or left. And also, lastly, when you hear the sound of the monster, you jump. Yes, you should jump forward so the monster will not catch up with you. So now I'm gonna start the game.
Blind Temple Run. Run started in Sky Summit with Jasmine wearing default clothes. Total speed bonus applied +0. Get ready.
Good.
Speed booster collected. You are running 2 times faster for 1 minute.
Down.
Did you hear that? Slide down. So I slide down with my thumb and my index finger.
Turn right. Slide down.
So did you hear that? Turn right, slide down. So I did exactly
Distance 0.235 kilometers
Well,
/ 1.0
narrator.
kilometers. Climb back to land.
I did exactly what the narrator asked me to do. Okay, so still running. Still running. So I'm just gonna quit this in the next instruction. I'm still running.
Slide down.
Speed booster effect ended. Back to normal speed.
Tools.
Okay, so that's just how you are gonna play the game. It's quite easy. You slide down, jump up, turn right, turn left with your 2 fingers. Either you use your index or your middle finger, or you use your thumb and the index finger. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and most especially hit the notification bell and also subscribe. I go by the name Prince Godwin. Until next time, bye for now.